Hey everybody! The transportation industry is abuzz with innovation, particularly in the realm of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Among the front-runners is the Lilium Jet, a German-designed electric air taxi poised to revolutionize short-distance travel. Unlike some competitors that rely on propellers, Lilium Jet utilizes multiple duct fans, essentially small jet engines encased in tubes. Once airborne, the fans cleverly adjust to a forward position, providing thrust for horizontal flight, much like a fixed-wing aircraft. This jet-based design delivers greater efficiency during cruising flight, targeting a range of 155 miles suitable for short-distance journeys. By using electric power, the aircraft reduces the environmental impact of air travel and promotes a greener transportation future. The electric motors also make Lilium Jet significantly quieter compared to the roar of conventional airplane engines, making it a more favorable option for noise-sensitive areas like cities. Lilium Jet is still under development, but the company behind it, Lilium GmbH, is making significant progress. With successful test flights and ongoing production line assembly for its revolutionary electric propulsion units, the aircraft is inching closer to becoming a reality, with the company aiming for certification of its six-seater aircraft by the end of 2024. Lilium also collaborates with industry leaders like Diehl Aviation on aircraft cabin and interior components, ensuring a comfortable and luxurious passenger experience. Lilium Jet envisions an era of on-demand air taxis that silently and efficiently ferry passengers across urban landscapes. Nonetheless, critics highlight concerns about potential maintenance complexities arising from its intricate design, the attainability of its range given current battery limitations, and the ambitious goals set by the company. Lilium is actively addressing these concerns, publishing white papers defending its design decisions and continually enhancing its technology. The company has also reached an agreement with Saudi Arabia to sell up to 100 of its eVTOL aircraft, marking a significant step for Lilium in expanding its innovative air mobility technology to a new market. Want to be the first to board?